Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to apologize for not uploading on Monday or Tuesday. I've had to do some medical tests and I'm doing this video real quick before I go back to the doctor. It's nothing major, it's just the tests they had to run really wore me out and were long, one of those blood sugar tests and all that, and I was very tired. But anyway, things are okay. Just has something to do with my thyroid medication levels, so everything will be back on track. I'll definitely be pre-filming some videos for next week, but today I'm going to announce the 100 subscriber giveaway. I threw names in a hat. I had my daughter pick out the name, and I would like the winner to contact me within 48 hours. You can contact me through on my Instagram at Mountain Witch Christine. And I'm really happy my daughter picked this name. It's pretty iconic. But anyway, the winner is Jessica Vargas from Makeup with Jessica Vargas. Congratulations, Jessica. Please contact me with your address in my IG, and I'll get that mailed out on Monday. Or maybe sooner. We'll see. All right, thanks everybody. Please like and subscribe. The next giveaway will be 500 subscribers, and I'm going to have 2 winners, 1 makeup related, 1 witchy related. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click that notification bell if you like this content, and I'll see you later. Bye.